Welcome to TDT Technology, where today we're counting down the most shocking dashcam moments. From narrow escapes to horrific crashes, you won't believe what's been caught on camera. Stay tuned until the end, because number one will leave you speechless. Let's find out. I can't even imagine how I would react in that situation. I can't believe they survived that. That moment definitely made my heart beat faster than watching a horror movie.
Hey man, you put it into the bill.
This is why people need to keep a safe distance.
Damn! Damn!
I can't believe someone would drive so recklessly. This is why I always check my brakes before I go. I don't understand how many people can drive like they are playing a game. I can't even imagine how I would react in that situation. Situations like this remind us to be more careful when driving. It's hard to believe anyone escaped that situation unscathed. A flip so perfect, I thought it was choreographed. Traffic police, when watching this video, will definitely not believe their eyes. Can someone rewind and watch this again? I still can't believe my eyes. This is why I always keep a steady speed and don't speed. This is why we always need to focus 100% when driving. Someone should give this driver a Worst Driver of the Year medal. It seems that many drivers out there do not know the concept of safe distance.
Push them really far away, and we put all these barriers in between.
A speed show that even Fast and Furious can't beat. I don't understand how many people can drive like they are playing a game. I thought this was an action movie scene, but no, it's real life. This is why I always keep a steady speed and don't speed. I thought this was an action movie scene, but no, it's real life. Maybe the guardian angel was overworked today. 1 second difference and the outcome could have been much more tragic. An unexpected drift that even Fast and Furious had to admire. This driver has probably never heard of keeping a safe distance. One of the reasons I always check my rearview mirrors carefully before turning. A car that wants to fly? You can't control other people, but you can control how you drive. Traffic safety is not only your responsibility, but also the responsibility of everyone around you. This is proof that luck is sometimes the most important thing. I was gaping when I saw this scene. It was unbelievable. Situations like this remind us to be more careful when driving. What a close call. How scary. I can't believe someone would drive so recklessly. I can't believe someone would drive so recklessly. Help save me again.
Во-во-во-во. Я понял тебя, братан. Ох, ебаный понесло. Ох, ебаный. Нет. Ой-ой-ой. Пошел?
Always be careful because you never know who is driving next to you.
Whoa! Whoa! Hey! Whoa!
A speed show that even Fast and Furious can't beat. It's hard to believe anyone escaped that situation unscathed. This is why I always keep a steady speed and don't speed. This is why we always need to focus 100% when driving. Wow, the moments just now really made our hearts pound. Through these videos, we clearly see that just one moment of carelessness on the road can lead to unpredictable consequences. So, always drive carefully and stay alert. If you like this video, don't forget to like to support the channel, comment to share your thoughts about the moment that shocked you the most, and subscribe to TDT Technology channel so you don't miss the next interesting videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.